What's going on, guys? All right, so I just wrapped the Chevy Cruze in Vvivid matte metallic black. It looks awesome. It's an awesome color and a really nice finish. So some custom things that we did here was did the stripes. The hood is not finished and it's fiberglass. So that means that I wrapped over a bare fiberglass hood. I didn't do a video on it, but again, with laying into recesses and stuff like that, we always want to make sure we're not stretching too much. And I took my tension out towards the sides here, but again, it wasn't too much tension in the edges. So some satin black in the middle. So the hood does look a little bit rough because it does need to be sanded down, right? So normally they would sand a hood down and prep it. What's going on? You want to be on YouTube?
What's going on?
this guy does all the PPF. That guy does all the PPF, so that's why I don't touch that stuff. That's all him. So anyways, blacked out the chrome trim on the sides, so Avery satin black was used for that. Mirrors were done in 2 pieces, and we can show you the seam. Sorry about the spiral there. So you want to see the seam, there's the seam right there. There's actually a body line. There's actually a body line right there. Anyways, so we did the seam right on the body line. Take care, man. Yeah, so he does all the PPF. I don't touch that stuff. He's just here the other day doing an R8. Anyways, they did full PPF on that. So let's check out the spoiler. And we did some red in the back, some lava red. And the spoiler has obviously a couple of seams. So the top piece is one piece. We have, the spoiler is also unfinished as well, so the vinyl doesn't stick all that well to it. So there is like some lines in it that need to be sanded down normally. Which kind of helps me hide the seams anyways because they're just there. The trunk's a little bit rough because there was a spoiler on there and they ended up sanding it down and filling in the holes and stuff like that, so I had to wrap over it. And other than that, that's about it. So for the spoiler, I took it apart. I did the base right here, and then I did one piece on the inside here, and then one piece here, and then this top piece as a full piece. Chrome trim was deleted on the bottom there. It's got a little damage on it also. Nothing too bad though. Car looks great though. I think it looks awesome. Really nice finish for it. We'll get a look back here. And we can check out the door handles and stuff. Let that focus. I don't know why I have it on, yeah, I don't know. Right. So everything should hold up great. There is a bit of a tricky part here where the side skirt comes. So when we're doing the side skirt piece, what I had to do is trim this separately and also wrap this piece, because if this car was white, that piece would show white all the way along. And that's because the side skirt doesn't, this car can come without it, I suppose. So it's like an original OEM add-on. And so normally that would be all one piece from that quarter all the way down to the front. But the side skirt doesn't cover the whole thing, so we have to wrap that as well, right? So kind of a tedious thing, but other than that, the roof was done to match the rest of the car. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know what you think about the color. I think the color looks great on the car. And yeah, that's about it. Guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I've got a Infiniti Q50 coming up in rose gold that's being dropped off tonight, and I'll do a lot of videos on that because I like doing videos on chrome. Chrome is a lot of fun and it's a lot of it's a big challenge to work with. The front bumper is going to be a nightmare. I already know it. It's got like little splash guards on the bottom and stuff like that. It's all got to be wrapped. Anyways, this is the winner of the free wrap who won the raffle that we did. So he wins a rose gold wrap. That was his choice, and it's going down on an Infiniti Q50. So I've got a week to do that, and that's it. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care.